In this video, you'll learn how to create an account for eBay dropshipping. By the end of this guide, you will have set up your eBay account and be ready to start your dropshipping journey. Begin by navigating to the eBay registration page. You can usually find this by entering eBay sign up in your preferred search engine. Once the page loads, you will see different account types listed. Choose the account type that aligns with your selling goals, such as a personal or business account. Selecting the correct type is crucial for your future transactions. After selecting the account type, you will need to fill in your personal information. Ensure that you enter accurate details, as eBay uses verification systems to check your identity. It is advisable to use a long-term email address that you have access to permanently. This will help you in account recovery and security. Additionally, create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. Once you have filled in the necessary fields, proceed to confirm your phone number and email address as prompted. Completing these verification steps immediately is important to avoid account restrictions later. Once your account is created, you will need to verify your seller access. To do this, navigate to your account settings. Here, add your payout details to ensure that your earnings can be transferred after sales. In some cases, eBay may request identity verification documents. Make sure that the name and address you provide match the details on your official documents. Review all account settings carefully for accuracy. To enhance security, enable features like two-step verification. Being a verified seller increases your credibility and helps you gain trust from potential buyers. Next, prepare for dropshipping by establishing your shipping, return, and payment policies. It is essential to understand eBay's marketplace dropshipping rules to ensure that your business model remains compliant. Start by listing a few items to build your sales history gradually. Monitor your performance metrics closely, as maintaining good metrics is vital for long-term success. Additionally, ensure that you respond promptly to buyer messages, as strong early performance can significantly support your growth in the marketplace. And there you have it. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.